Dajiao, everybody. Welcome back. We got another fantastic video lined up for you. Today, we're back at the 2026 Taipei Cycle Show, and we'll be covering and featuring Floor 1, which is mainly your components, accessories, and apparel. So without further ado, guys, let's get started.
Welcome back to the show. Today we're looking at the first floor, which I call the industrial heart of the 2026 Taipei Cycle Show. Now, while the fourth floor was the sizzle, this is the grit. We're going to be moving fast to show you the entire floor, booth by booth, in just 12 minutes. From giants like Maxxis to KMC to those controversial 32-inch prototypes, it's all here. Now be sure to stick around towards the end because I ran into a true legend, the OG father of mountain biking himself, Mr. Gary Fisher. Now if you need a deep dive, the 108-minute full video will be linked below. I'm Amaiwan Traveler, so let's get started. The first floor is what I call the engine of the 2026 Taipei Cycle Show. From manufacturing giants to raw prototypes, this is the DNA of the industry. Now we have a lot of ground to cover, so I'm going to shut up now and let you experience the brand and the grit firsthand. So here is the first floor. Let's get going. Ni hao ma. Ni hao. Hao. 你好吗？ Brand favorite and fan favorite, one of my best. Thank you.
Because there's no surrounding structure.
你好，你好。你好，你好。
等一下会场直接。等一下会场直接。
用的啦，对，哎，你如果有需求再。
When braking continuously.
走走就諗住啦。
你好。
Authentic also our client.
All right, guys, we're nearing to the end, and so far we've seen everything from the industrial grid to meeting the legend, Gary Fisher himself. This is the heart of the show, but if you need more detail, be sure to check out the full video, which is linked below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with your friends so you don't miss out on any of the other show videos.
I went to the
一点点正问。加油！
Hello. Hey,
Jayo, Jayo. All right, guys, I'm almost out of battery. I hope you enjoyed the 2026 Taipei Cycle Show, Floor 1 of the components and accessories. Till next time, guys. 大家再见. See you all on the next video.